Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by obtaining a Google Static Maps API key and confirming you can legally request tiles. This avoids scraping and rate limits. Next, pick the exact area and zoom level so the resulting imagery will match Minecraft scale. Then install Python plus a simple requests-based script and an image stitcher. These let you batch download tiles and merge them into one large orthophoto. Once done, you'll have a stitched image that represents the map area ready for conversion. With the stitched orthophoto, open World Painter or a similar map import tool. These programs accept large images and let you paint textures and assign heights. Import the image as an overlay, set the scale so 1 pixel equals your chosen number of Minecraft blocks, and enable automatic color-to-biome mapping if available. If you need elevation, generate a grayscale height map or paint heights manually, then apply smoothing. Make sure you save a World Painter project before exporting to a Minecraft world. Finally, export the project from World Painter into your Minecraft Saves folder and start the game to load the world. This creates terrain, blocks, and textures from your imported map. Once loaded, walk the area to verify scale, correct texture mapping, and elevation fidelity. Make small edits back in World Painter if something looks off. If tiles are misaligned or missing, recheck your stitched image resolution and API tile coordinates. And remember to monitor API quotas to avoid incomplete downloads.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.